I've been working with Brisbane Tree Experts for over 13 years across several schools. We try to create an environment that is aesthetically pleasing for students, as well as enhancing their learning. But the key element is also making sure it's safe, as well as making sure it's sustainable for the future. So they want to make sure that trees thrive, and they have a certain understanding about trees, how one tree is connected to another tree. So what you do to one tree affects other trees. And so they are as keen as I am to make sure that we're looking after the trees and the environment. Working with Brisbane Tree Experts allows me to plan ahead, not only 1 or 2 years, but several years ahead, because they get to know the trees and they're able to inform me if we do this to this tree this year, then next year the growth pattern will be different, and then we can manage the whole school environment with the trees. Brisbane Tree Experts gets to know our trees very well, and they give advice that's in the best interests of the school. Their systems are safe and thorough, and they hold safety very high in regard, not only for their own workers, but also knowing that they're working in a school environment, so they work around our time schedule. I certainly would recommend Brisbane Tree Experts. They know what it's like to work in a school environment. They also know what it is to make sure that we're leaving an environment for the future generations based on how we manage our trees today.